Do you want to add your name or a custom message on the iPhone lock screen, but you don't know the steps? You came to the right video because I'll show you the step-by-step process of adding your name on your iPhone's lock screen. And the best part is that this is absolutely free. We'll start by opening our App Store and then hop over to your search bar. What you'll do from here is to type the name of the app which we're going to use, and the app is called Make It Big. And it has this little black icon. I'm going to make sure to leave this app link in the description of the video so you can download the correct one. So I've installed the app on my iPhone and let's open it. It looks like this, and I'm quickly going to write the name of my channel. By the way, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Okay, you can tap on this little gear icon if you need to customize the text, the font, and all that other stuff. But I'll exit the app now, open my lock screen, and then long press on the empty space until the editor appears. Tap on Customize. Then add Widget. And you're looking for the big app in here. You can see that we have our app Tutor text, which we had written in the app, so I'll tap here to add the text to my lock screen. And that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.